someone. Was he getting over you? When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know.
Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. From you guys see the face right now, which is so guys, today we're gonna be doing the Chinese snack kind of like challenge, or we're gonna rate some Chinese snack. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Blessed Child and this is Baby I'm Blessed, and I'm Blessed can't wait to start the challenge. But guys, let me show you the snacks that we have so you guys can know. So we have the Chinese ramen noodles, my one piece, because I don't want to all it because we never eat that. Some one piece, and in the noodles it comes with the regular thing. And wait, where is it coming? Wait. It comes with one little sauce. The little sauce will look like soya sauce. So if anybody eats it, know me at all, we can't find it. Like jackfruit snack. We also have the kid crispy seaweed. We never eat these yet. We're just gonna try them. And we also have the coffee crackers. So these are all Chinese. The video is not long, I just some shop because we couldn't get a lot of Chinese stuff, so we just picked these few when we have in the store. So let's jump into the video so we can start trying these. Hopefully they taste good because I'm money me spend and buy them, and we want to finish eat them after we done with the video. So as me tell you guys, I already had piece of the noodles, like half of the noodles. I don't do all that because I don't want to waste it. Let me try.
Let me be.
It tastes alright. It tastes like the regular noodles. It not tastes much different to me. It kind of tastes like the regular noodles, but it kind of tastes better. If you understand what I mean. We can boil this good one now, and the noodles not that soft. I'm blessed. Where you going?
Huh? No?
Okay guys, let's go to the other one. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 because it tastes good.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm blessed. She wants to try the coffee crackers.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on, we gotta do it one at a time. One at a time.
Okay.
So you know, we tell the people them, oh, if you like the one day,
Come on.
you get that one thumbs up or thumbs down.
Come down.
Oh man, come like when Chinese, the Chinese them will make for them sit, then make it. Oh boy.
Mommy.
Yeah. Taste it.
Coca.
Hold on, I'm blessed.
Okay.
Guys, we're not really too like this, but you can taste like a little coffee, and then the one come like wheat. When I like this, when I give this a 2 out of 10. When I like. So we're going to this one. This is the jackfruit chip. What for this taste good? Because jackfruit tastes good. But whenever imagining the wildest of my dreams, somebody to do a jackfruit. Oh my! It smells like jackfruit, but it smells kind of stink. See, they look just like jackfruit. It's when I smell it like this now, it smells good. Like smell like real jackfruit.
That's cool.
Like it?
Yeah. Like that fruit.
No, I don't like it. It tastes sweet. It tastes.
It's sweet.
It does the aftertaste when I really like. You like it? How much you give it? What that thing? You give that thumbs up or thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Oh, yes, it. It tastes alright, but you know, when I get like three other things. Too sweet though. So now guys, we're gonna do the kids crispy seaweed. We never eat seaweed yet, so. These are-
Seaweed.
Let me show them. This is how it looks.
Oh,
And it also come with something.
that's
Come with. Hold on, who put this in a food? This like someone and put in a shoes. Oh my god, I don't even want.
what?
I not even want to get ambulance this because they said do not eat.
Okay, bad.
Oh my god, it smells bad.
Okay.
Guys, really and truly, we're not gonna try this because there's something there's something will come in our shoes. It inside of it, I'm gonna want to get ambulance if to eat.
Mama, what
I don't.
is this bad fruit?
And it smells bad. And I can't even read the something.
This is something to do.
I can't even read the something till they overeat it.
Oh, good.
So guys, that's the end of the video. And as I'm telling you, I'm not gonna eat this because it come with something with, you know, the thing where they put in our shoes and it said don't eat. So if it have don't eat on it, why they put it in as something for kids? But I can't read this. It's tell whether or not you have to eat it or not. But more likely you're supposed to eat it because them say kids crispy seaweed. And it depends on one plate with the baby shark with the fork.
Oh,
But as I said guys, this is the end of the video. If we get any more Chinese snack, we're gonna try them. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Turn on the post notification bell so whenever I'm upload a new video you get all the notifications. Look like I'm just love the jackfruit chip not really taste that bad. Just that is sweet.
sweet.
Okay, let's take on more.
This one.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
See you, bye.
Bye.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.